A few days ago, the International Court of Justice began the crucial oral phase of its hearings in the Kosovo UDI case. This is the first time in history that the court will rule on the legality of a unilateral attempt at secession by an ethnic group from a UN member state in peacetime. It is also the first time all 5 permanent members of the Security Council are participating in a proceeding before the court. Furthermore, the total number of states that are presenting their views in The Hague is a record for the ICJ. It exceeds even the figure in the cases involving the legality of the use of nuclear weapons. And there is therefore little doubt that the court's conclusions will have overarching consequences for the international legal order.